Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest tech reviews and comparisons. In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular Canon cameras, the Canon EOS M200 and the Canon EOS M50 Mark E. We'll be looking at various features and specifications of these cameras to help you decide which one is the right choice for you. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, comment below with your thoughts, and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our future content. Now let's get started. Let's begin by comparing the prices of these cameras. The Canon EOS M200 is priced at $649, while the Canon EOS M50 Mark E is priced at $899. Keep in mind that prices may vary depending on your location and any ongoing promotions. Now, let's move on to other aspects of these cameras. Both cameras provide high-quality images thanks to their 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensors. The Canon EOS M200 delivers outstanding image clarity and detail, while the Canon EOS M50 Mark E offers a similar sensor but also provides a higher ISO range of 125,600, expandable to 51,200, giving you better low-light performance. When it comes to autofocus, both cameras excel. The Canon EOS M200 features fast and accurate dual-pixel CMOS AF with eye detection AF, ensuring your subjects are always in focus. The Canon EOS M50 Mark E takes it a step further with improved dual-pixel CMOS AF and eye detection AF support for both stills and video. You'll never miss a moment with these cameras. If you're into videography, both cameras have some fantastic features. The Canon EOS M200 offers 4K video and 4K time-lapse movie capabilities, enabling you to capture stunning footage. Similarly, the Canon EOS M50 Mark E supports 4K UHD 24p and HD 120p slow-motion recording, giving you creative flexibility. Whether you're a vlogger or a content creator, these cameras have you covered. Apart from the core features, both cameras come with a range of additional functionalities. The Canon EOS M200 includes a combination tripod grip and remote control, making it convenient for self-portraits and group shots. The Canon EOS M50 Mark E offers convenient touchscreen LCD with vari-angle, perfect for vlogging and capturing videos from different angles. It also has features like touch recording control, movie self-timer, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and even webcam capability using the EOS Webcam utility software or clean HDMI output. And that wraps up our comparison between the Canon EOS M200 and the Canon EOS M50 Mark E. Both cameras have their own strengths, whether it's the affordability of the M200 or the advanced features of the M50 Mark E. Ultimately, it depends on your specific needs and budget. We hope this video helped you in making an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.